PJ 9854, her name is Eileen Bunnaw. She's 33 years old and still single. She finished Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. She worked in Kuwait for 3 years. This is PJ 9854. Will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Eileen G. Bunao. I'm 33 years old. I am single. I'm presently residing in Abulug, Cagayan. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Perfecto Bunao. I have one brother and two sisters. I finished Bachelor in Elementary Education.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money as long as I can support my financial needs of my family.
You mentioned here that you work in Kuwait before, right?
Yes,
How many years?
3 years and 5 months.
Okay. Why did you leave your employment?
I leave my employer because I finished my contract already.
What were your duties and responsibilities?
My duties are ironing, washing, caring children, tutoring, marketing.
Okay. Since you are a teacher graduate, are you willing to tutor the school children of your future employer?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
What particular subject?
All subject I can do, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Since you already work in Kuwait, do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
I can't cook Chinese dishes, but I'm willing to learn more.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, mom.
What is your experience?
Feeding babies, changing clothes, taking a bath, giving the right medicine.
What will you do first if the baby is crying?
Either she is hungry or she is sick.
Okay. If you found out that she is not feeling well, what will you do first?
I will apply first aid, mom. I will put a cool fever, mom.
Okay. Do you know how to sterilize feeding bottles?
Yes, mom.
Can you explain to us the procedure?
First, mom, you need to wash the bottle. After that, you put it in
Okay. If given chance to work in Hong Kong, are you willing to look after a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you relieve your homesickness?
Doing busy my work, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you think you are a suitable domestic helper?
Because I can do my duties and responsibilities and I am hardworking.
Okay. Do you know how to sing nursery rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
Okay. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jill went tumbling after.
Okay. Can you say something to your future employer?
Good day, mom and sir. If you will chosen me as one of your domestic helper, I am assure you that I will do my duties and responsibilities.